Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix sync issues with OneDrive. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open the file explorer. If you don't find this here in your desktop, go ahead and click on the start menu and then just type it right here. Click on open, and then once you're here, in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find home, gallery, and here you're going to find OneDrive. Go ahead and right click on OneDrive. Then right here, you're going to find all of these options. Here you're going to find copy, expand, open in new tab, and so on. Here you're going to find always keep on this device, free of space, and lastly, right here, you're going to find OneDrive. Go ahead and click on OneDrive, and then here you're going to find view online, settings, and lastly, right here, you're going to find folder color. So basically, guys, right now, what you need to do is go to your settings. And then once you're here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find sync and backup, account, notification, and lastly, about. Go to account. And then if you don't find your account linked to this PC, make sure you click on link this PC. This is very important. And then go to sync and backup. And then here you're going to find backup important PC folders to OneDrive. Backup your desktop, documents, and pictures folder to OneDrive so they're protected and available on other devices. Go ahead and click on Manage Backup, and then make sure you enable backup for all of these options. And then once you do that, go ahead and click on Save Changes so your changes are all saved. After that, you can also enable backup for these two options, saving photos and videos from devices, and also saving screenshots you captured to OneDrive. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.